The evolution of Ford, 1903 to 2023. Ford's journey began in 1903 when Henry Ford founded the company to revolutionize transportation. The Model T, introduced in 1908, was a game-changer, making automobiles accessible to the masses. Ford's pioneering use of the moving assembly line in 1913 reduced production costs and time, solidifying its status as an industrial leader. In the 1920s and 30s, Ford expanded globally and introduced models like the Model A and the V8-powered Ford 18, emphasizing innovation and reliability. Post-World War II, the company shifted its focus to modern designs and performance, producing classics like the F-Series trucks, introduced in 1948, and the Thunderbird. The 1960s saw the birth of the Mustang, an icon of American muscle and automotive design. Ford also achieved racing glory with the GT40, dominating the 24 Hours of Le Mans. In the 1970s and 80s, Ford prioritized practicality and fuel efficiency with models like the Pinto and Escort, while expanding its global footprint. The 1990s brought a new era of innovation, with SUVs like the Explorer and advancements in safety and emissions technology. In the 2000s, Ford weathered industry challenges by investing in eco-friendly solutions, introducing hybrid and electric models like the Fusion Hybrid and Mustang Mach-E. By 2023, Ford had fully embraced electrification and digital technology, with the F-150 Lightning and autonomous vehicle initiatives showcasing its future-ready vision. From the Model T to cutting-edge EVs, Ford's evolution reflects over a century of innovation, resilience, and influence on global automotive culture.